Alright folks, so today we're making dog food. We have the gizzard in here. This is a big huge pot. It's a lot of gizzard because it takes long to boil, so that's the reason why. We put that in first. Lots of chicken we're gonna put in. We got some pork.
More pork.
More lean pork.
Chicken.
Some more chicken. Sweet potatoes. Broccoli. Green peas. Some long beans. Spinach. Of course, some turmeric. And we got some black bush beans. Some chickpeas. A whole lot of liver. And celery. And hot dogs. Those are not seasoned hot dogs. So all this is gonna go in that big pot. Lots of good stuff. So mama is pregnant. We always cook for the puppies. Not the bear is for me. And I'll show you guys the process.
Alright, so we're gonna start off by adding the chicken to the pot that already has the gizzard.
And that's a whole big 2-pack gizzard. We put it in there.
So we're adding these meat not all at once because the pork we want it to kind of not melt.
Yeah, we want them.
So we're gonna add the meats in stages.
Yep. As we going along. So we're gonna boil all the bad stuff out here. We chop it and wash it up clean.
Yeah.
Some people don't wash their meat. That's fine. We choose to wash and clean. Alright. Show you guys the process.
Okay, so we're making, as a reminder, we're making some food for our dogs. Our Coco just had 10 babies. So we want to make her a nice pot of food, and it's not the first time. We always cook for them. So
we got gizzard
chicken and gizzard. That's a half a chicken in there and the gizzard. We're gonna add some pork now to boil. We're adding the pork now because we didn't want it to get all melted up. We want it to be like whole pieces. We're gonna add some more pork. It's a lot of meat.
Yep.
Lots of meats and veggies and things like that. And a little bit of rice.
Yeah, we can put it in rice also. Yeah, that's something I forgot to mention also. We put it, there's a piece in there.
Oh, yeah, rice.
So, I forget to say, we're putting in eggs, parsley. I know I was forgetting something.
Okay.
And carrots.
Yeah. We got Uncle Ben.
Brown rice.
Now this one is the long grain white rice. We ran on the brown rice, so that's Uncle Ben white rice.
So you get lots of stuff going in. And we'll stir that up.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is add some parsley. Actually, you need a lot of parsley. So parsley, it's gonna boil, give it some taste. Drop some turmeric. I usually season the meat with this, but I didn't do that today. I just wanted to show you guys. So that's that. Oh, and what I'm gonna do, salt. You should never. Well, salt is good, but to a certain extent.
Just a little tip.
That's a little bit. So what I'll do, I'll drop like a little teeny bit of salt in here. Say like this. Just sprinkle it.
And this is a big pot. So
Yeah.
just a little bit we put it in.
Teeny bit. So on top of this, we're gonna put some vegetable oil.
Yeah, we're gonna just add a little bit.
We ran out of olive oil for them, so some vegetable oil just to cook that. Okay.
And we can see how much meat is in here for like these
Guys, if you cook like this for your dogs, you'll never have to. You know, I don't know how many pet owners are out there that watches our video, but taking your pets to the vets, as you know, it's very, very expensive. Cooking like this for them, you'll never have a need to take them to the vet because they'll be healthy. We don't take ours to the vet except for like shots, you know, like the rabies shots and things like that. Otherwise, they're perfect. Nothing.
we never had
had an issue with them because of what they eat.
Let this boil, cook up, and we got Coco and the 10 babies. She's just attending to her puppies. We got a fan going. They're 5 days old, 6 days, babe. I can't remember.
Monday
I'm lost.
through now, 5 days.
Yeah.
6 days.
So that's why we're cooking for her. She's waiting for her food. She don't want to eat anything else. She's checking up on her babies. She's back and forth, inside, outside. Walk around now.
Alright guys, so continuing on this dog food here, we're gonna add some sweet potatoes.
Yep, looks good.
Put some carrots in there. These two can go in. Okay, that's that.
Sorry guys, lots of heat fogging up the camera. Look how nice and delicious this looks. Yummy. Yum, yum. I can even do this. So this is no processed food for the puppy. Like the tables.
We got some frozen green beans, which are all healthy and have its own nutritional benefits, values, meaning. I don't know. We got some nice green beans. Green beans.
And she knows when we make food for them.
Got
She would lick her
broccoli.
tongue.
Yeah. All good stuff, all good stuff.
And Max is here.
We got some celery. See guys, we cook. These puppies aren't easy to maintain, as you can see. As if we hadn't put in enough. We got this to put in.
Some nice bird's eye
Spinach.
spinach.
See?
That's not an essential brand. It's
Don't
a bird's eye.
don't judge us, guys. We love our puppies, so don't judge us. Just enjoy the video. You don't have to do this.
Yeah.
Put in some more spinach. It's frozen spinach. We try to stay away from canned goods for humans and animals, but sometimes, you know, can't help. So these are the only, I believe, canned goods we're using, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Canned goods. Okay, we're gonna join the liver now, just so it can. We don't want it to overcook.
Yep.
We want them in big pieces. Coco is gonna love this food,
Yeah.
especially since we We just cooked for her last week, but she...
And this is canine. They're dogs. They would love some blood in here too. We washed the liver, but
it's still gonna be
yeah.
red no matter what. Let me turn for you, babe. Okay, give it a good turn. By the time we're done, we don't have room to put the rice.
Yeah, we have to put in the rice.
Oh, we have to put the rice in.
Yep, and eggs.
We got 4 eggs.
4 eggs we gotta put in.
I'll say let this just cook up a little bit. Let it get into a good boil, and then we can throw the rice and the eggs in. See here. We got eggs.
Yeah.
And we got rice. Last 2 ingredients. Or last 2, what you call it, babe? Things to add to the pot.
Yeah. Cool. So we're gonna let this boil up pretty good and cook up a little bit. We don't want it to mush up. The puppies, my puppies, I'm like, their food, they like to chew it
they're
a little
picky.
bit. And I want them to enjoy it. They can enjoy the meat, chew that meat up, and all the veggies, especially this celery in there. They like to chew that up.
And
the
the
celery is
carrots.
pretty good. The carrots and the sweet potatoes and the broccoli. So you can cook yours according to your flavor for your puppy and see if they like it. Alright guys, let me back. Look at all this greenery in here. It's really good. So everything kind of boiled up a little bit. Nice.
We're gonna throw the rice in.
Yeah, the rice.
Boil. We got a big pot of food here.
Yep. You can see the pot is almost full there. It smells really, really good.
I'm gonna put some chickpeas just to nice it up for old time's sake.
What I do, I break up some of these liver because it's in chunk size. You can see that's a big piece there. Break it up into 2-3 pieces. I should have chopped it up before I put it in. But no big deal.
Okay, I'm gonna drop some black beans in there. Okay.
Nice, delicious black beans.
Let me turn for you, babe. Okay.
The liver is too in chunk pieces, so it needs to break up a little bit.
So we're gonna slow cook
One
this.
there, we got another piece there.
So by the time the rice is finished cooking, then the liver and everything else will be boiled and be good to go. Yep. Okay.
Alright folks, stay tuned. I'll show you the finished product. It's not totally finished as yet. So you guys make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment for more.
Alright guys, so we got some eggs as along with the eggshell, which is very, very healthy. If you wanted to know the nutritional benefits of eggshell, you can Google it. So chop some eggs with some eggshells. And give it a turn. Coming along really good. This thing like chatak matak over here. Have it?
Smells really good. As you can see, the rice is in there. Rice already boiling up. The pot is gonna swell up a little bit more. All the food, not the pot is gonna swell.
Okay, so we got eggs going and we got the eggshells going. Everything boiled. Carrots boiled. Let's see, carrots boiled. Anyway, there's a ways more. There's about 15 minutes more to this pot.
Yeah.
Got some liver.
Yeah, we're gonna break up the liver.
Well, it's boiled anyway. Okay. We'll be back to show you progress.
Alright guys. There we go. Everything boil up nice. And looks delicious. Tastes good. I taste it already. I'm just joking. Hey, you can even eat this.
I'm gonna let it dry down.
Yep.
And then
Oh, look at all that goodies in there. These guys love this food here. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe to the channel. One love and peace out.